5 Easy Breakfast Recipes. Mornings are hectic, and the last thing you want to do is spend an hour making breakfast. But what if I told you that you can make delicious, nutritious breakfasts in 10 minutes or less? Today I'm sharing 5 incredibly easy breakfast recipes that will transform your mornings forever. These are so simple that even kids can make them, but they taste good enough to serve to guests. The best part about these recipes is that they use ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. No fancy equipment needed, no complicated techniques, just real food made simple. Let's jump right into recipe number 1, and trust me, this one is going to become your new obsession. It's what I call the perfect scramble, and it takes exactly 3 minutes to make. Here's what you need: 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and whatever vegetables you have lying around. Seriously, any vegetables work: leftover roasted veggies, fresh tomatoes, spinach, mushrooms, peppers. Heat your pan over medium-low heat and add the butter. While it's melting, crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them with a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour the eggs into the pan and let them sit for about 30 seconds. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges toward the center, tilting the pan so the uncooked egg flows underneath. Keep doing this every 30 seconds or so. Add your vegetables when the eggs are almost set but still slightly wet on top. The key is removing them from heat while they still look slightly underdone. They'll finish cooking from the residual heat. This technique gives you the creamiest, most delicious scrambled eggs every single time. Recipe number 2 is my 5-minute French toast, and it's going to blow your mind with how easy it is. You don't need thick brioche or fancy bread, regular sandwich bread works perfectly. Take 2 slices of bread and quickly dip them in a mixture of 1 beaten egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a pinch of cinnamon. Don't let them soak, just a quick dip on each side. Heat a pan with a little butter over medium heat. Cook the bread for 2 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy. The secret is using medium heat, not high heat. This ensures the egg mixture cooks through without burning the outside. Serve with fresh fruit, a drizzle of maple syrup, or even just a sprinkle of powdered sugar. It tastes like weekend brunch but takes less time than making coffee. Now let's talk about the ultimate breakfast smoothie. This is perfect for people who think they don't have time for breakfast. It literally takes 2 minutes and you can drink it on your way out the door. In a blender, combine 1 banana, 1 cup of milk or milk alternative, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and a handful of ice. That's the base recipe, but here's where it gets fun. Add whatever you want: berries for antioxidants, spinach for extra nutrition, protein powder for staying power, or cocoa powder for a chocolate taste. The banana makes everything creamy and naturally sweet. Blend for 60 seconds and you're done. Pour it into a travel mug and breakfast is solved. The beauty of this smoothie is that it's completely customizable. Allergic to peanuts? Use almond butter. Don't like bananas? Try frozen mango instead. Recipe number 4 is overnight oats, and this one is genius because you make it the night before. When you wake up, breakfast is literally waiting for you in the fridge. In a jar or container, mix half a cup of oats with half a cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a teaspoon of honey, and whatever flavoring you want. My favorite combinations are peanut butter and banana, berries and vanilla, or cocoa powder and sliced almonds. Mix everything together and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, the oats will be soft and creamy, almost like pudding. You can eat it cold or warm it up in the microwave for 30 seconds. The best part is you can make 5 jars on Sunday night and have breakfast ready for the entire week. It's meal prep at its finest. And now for recipe number 5, the game changer that's going to revolutionize your breakfast routine. It's called the breakfast muffin cup, and you make it right in a coffee mug. Crack an egg into a microwave-safe mug and whisk it with a fork. Add whatever you have: cheese, ham, vegetables, herbs, and mix it all together. Microwave for 45 seconds, stir, then microwave for another 30 to 45 seconds until the egg is set. It puffs up like a little muffin, hence the name. This is perfect for dorms, office kitchens, or anywhere you have access to a microwave. You can make it as simple or as fancy as you want. Try it with spinach and feta for a Mediterranean vibe, or salsa and cheese for a Mexican twist. The possibilities are endless, and it takes less than 2 minutes from start to finish. Now let me share some pro tips that will make these recipes even easier and more delicious. First, prep your ingredients the night before. Chop vegetables, measure out oats, or even crack eggs into a bowl and cover with plastic wrap. Having everything ready to go makes morning cooking so much smoother. Second, invest in good non-stick pans. They make cooking eggs and French toast foolproof, and cleanup is a breeze. Third, freeze bananas when they start getting too ripe. Frozen bananas make smoothies incredibly thick and creamy, plus you'll never waste bananas again. Keep basic ingredients stocked: eggs, milk, bread, oats, and peanut butter. With just these 5 things, you can make satisfying breakfast options all week long. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors and ingredients. These recipes are templates, make them your own based on what you like and what you have available. Remember that breakfast doesn't have to be complicated to be good. Some of the best meals are the simplest ones, made with fresh ingredients and a little bit of care. The key to making breakfast a habit is removing as many barriers as possible. When healthy, delicious food is quick and easy to make, you'll naturally choose it over grabbing something processed. Start with one recipe that appeals to you most. Master that one first, then gradually add the others to your rotation. Before you know it, you'll have a whole arsenal of quick breakfast options that make mornings so much easier and more enjoyable. Your body will thank you for the steady energy, and your taste buds will thank you for the delicious variety. If this helped you today, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Tell me which recipe you're most excited to try first. I really enjoy hearing from people who try these recipes and make them part of their routine. Remember, consistency beats perfection every time. You've got this. Take care of yourself and keep making those positive changes.